Okay, in this video I'm going to take apart a Technics KN3000 keyboard because of a very obvious reason that one of the keys are broken. This is a very simple fix, although it does look complicated, too many screws. All you need is a single automatic screwdriver. You cannot do it with a manual screwdriver because it will take forever. There are just too many screws. So here's how we do it. I'm going to point the camera down. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is put something soft underneath. Like I put a cardboard box there so that you don't scratch the front. It's good to put like maybe a cloth, piece of cloth or a blanket or something. So, you know, that's what you want to do. Alright, so let's see. Not every screw that you see, it needs to be opened. So don't be fooled by all these ones. You open the outer parameter first. The outer parameter. Okay, so far I have three down and many more to go. Okay, one more here. This is for the floppy drive. Okay, now let me test it to see where I'm standing. This is for a screw removal. Okay, I have the deep ones. See these? The ones that are obvious, like sticking up, you don't want to open those. Those are holding components. The deep ones are the ones you need to open. Like this one, you need to open. This one you need to open. Okay, this one you need to open. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deep ones, and that should do it. This puppy should come apart. Let's see. Let's see what is holding this. Because screw-wise, I removed every screw. Unless oh yeah, I missed 2 deep ones here. 2 deep ones I missed. See? The square holes also have screws, deep ones. Oh, 3 and 4. How about that? Okay, now I'm good. Now it should come apart. Okay. So let's see. Moment of truth. Yeah, it is coming apart, but it looks like I did miss a couple of screws. Oh, that was not very professional. Make sure you hold it there. Okay, so this is the broken key. Look how simple it is. You push down and slide out. Push down, slide out. Watch. Okay, so now I'm gonna raise the platform so I can raise it and take it out. raising the platform. There you go. It's just as simple. And the replacement will go the same way. Push down and slide in. But you have to raise this platform. See, it wouldn't come out otherwise. So here, let me remove some more. Watch. These are the good ones that I don't need to remove, but I'm going to remove anyways to teach you. There. Just like that. Simple as that. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. I'm so tired because this sucker is so heavy. Anyways, thank you for watching.